What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. My name is Mair. Today I've got you another great, fantastic, easy recipe. Okay, we are making seasonal fruit salad, or you can call it a seasonal fruit bowl. So for that, the main focus is to use 6 kind of seasonal fresh fruits. So I have a pineapple right here. It will chop. Nothing is canned. This is all fresh. This is all healthy. So I got the pineapple. I have chopped the bottom part. So this video will have a lot of chopping going on here. Cut the sides of the pineapple. I mean a little bit deep cuts because the skin is really thick on this pineapple. It usually depends on what season you are getting the fruits. So I'll be using pineapple, cantaloupe, red grapes, green grapes, blueberries, strawberries, and apple. And there's a secret ingredient to it as well, which will boost the seasonal fruit cup. So as you guys can see, this is not 100% clean right now. We will go a little bit deeper with the cuts. We will try to clean the sides. It's much better, much cleaner. Okay, so this all excess goes right here. Take the pineapple, slice one big, another one, and another one. So these are 5 big chunks. So chop it from here and make cubes. And here is our big bowl. So whatever we chop, we'll be putting all these fruits right here. I was like, let me make you guys an easy, fresh recipe. Alright, so the second big fruit is the cantaloupe. We'll be using half of it. Oh wow, check from the inside. Yummy. Here you go. Take the knife and just roll out. And just roll it from the inside. So here's the inside out. Again. I don't want to do it too deep because it has the sweetness right there. So chop, chop, and chop. This recipe is chop, chop. So again, we will take out the middle part, and that's how I like to do it. My knife is so sharp, I'm kind of scared from it. Okay, here you go, and here you go. So, bye-bye. So I have removed the skin. So same thing we will do with these. Fresh pineapple and fresh cantaloupe is being chopped. We'll move to strawberries. So strawberries has a lot of vitamin C, just as pineapple. Just slice it from the middle. It's gonna give a nice color pop to our mixed fruit. So guys, what are your favorite seasonal fruits? Do let me know. I mean, you can just comment down below. And what kind of fruit salad or fruit cup you guys like. I went to this farmer's market and I was looking for everything. I was looking for kiwis, but They never had over there. Take the red apple. This is how I like to cut it. I'll leave the middle part as it is. That's it. That's it. Leave this part. And red apples are the sweetest one. So 2 apples goes right there. So far we had a whole pineapple, half cantaloupe, and we are working with the 2 apples, the red apples. Blueberries. We'll take a handful of blueberries. And that's it. So easy. Kind of just sprinkle it. So these are the red seedless grapes. Wow. So they go right there. Don't add too much, just for the color pop. I'll take some greens. The green grapes. They're also seedless green grapes. Add a handful of green grapes. The colors are popping up, right? Take dates. So here is the secret ingredient part. Finely chop it, like really small pieces. Just like that. At least 5 of them. As you guys saw, I took 3 so far. I'll add the dates. The dates gonna give the richness to this fruit salad. So this recipe doesn't require me to talk too much about it, because we all know how things are going. So here goes the dates. Take some raw honey, any brand, and just sprinkle some right on top. Okay, we will take a bigger spoon and we will just mix everything up. Oh wow, the honey smell yummy. I never wanted to add the bananas in there because it's gonna make it a mushy. So this is not a mushy fruit salad. This is a fresh. So as you guys can see, the shine on the fruit, it's all the honey and the sweetness as well. Honey brings both of them. Alright guys, so this is very easy, fantastic, delicious recipe right here. So here it is guys, our fresh traditional fruit salad. Looks pretty and delicious. It's all healthy, we all can make this. It can be a side dish, it can be a snack. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. This is the seasonal fruit salad. You all can make this. Just have 5 to 6 fresh fruits from the farmer's market or grocery store right next to you guys. And I showed you guys, add some raw honey, some dates, and that's it. You don't have to add anything. It's gonna give you the perfect taste of the freshness. Do try this easy, simple recipe, and I'll see you on the very soon on the next one actually. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself. Do try this easy recipe. We all can do this, right? Easy.